Gold is at 1937.42. That is almost a $50 jump from where it opened on Sunday when spot market opened. Now, this is insane, guys. As you guys know, the dollar has been tanking over the past few months, and recently it's really been coming down. Let's take a look at silver. Silver, at the time of this recording, is at $27.42. Now, the metals are doing extremely well. The markets in general are doing extremely well. And the DXY has dropped down to 89.53 at the time of this recording. It's been chilling in the high 80s for some time now, guys. Now, I want to give an update on some metal miners that I've been looking at. So in particular, I have been talking a lot about this copper miner that I've been invested in called SCCO, Southern Copper Corporation. And today I happened to wake up, looked at my my Robinhood account, went up 4% overnight. So sold some shares, and I'm actually waiting for it to come back down a little bit more before I jump back in to add more shares in. Now, you may be saying, well, why do you expect the price to come down? Well, aside from just general price action, I am expecting a bit more volatility to hit the markets this week, especially early on this week. Now, obviously, we have the Georgia runoff elections that we're going to be dealing with in the next couple of days. I happen to be taking a look at some of these polls, and the polls aren't looking very good for the Republicans, but they're looking pretty good right now for the Democrats. Now, the thing with the Democrats is that if they get in, then obviously the Senate will be controlled, House will be controlled, presidency will be controlled by the Democrats. Now, if that were to be the case, the thing you have to remember is that though Democrats will likely add more and more fiat to the system, the other thing to take note of, and this is especially true if you have any sort of equities, is that there is a chance, and Biden has stated it, that Democrats could raise corporate taxes. This would affect earnings. If that affects earnings, well, then you know that some of these stock prices may actually come down. And that news may cause Wall Street to become a little bit more apprehensive, and maybe you might start to see some selling going on. I do think it could go either way if Democrats get in, but we'll talk more about this tomorrow. But I do suspect that there will be a little bit more volatility happening in the coming days. Now, I'm not saying that for sure, but I wouldn't be surprised if it happened and we start to see the dollar rise just a tiny bit. I mean, looking at it right now, it's at 89.59 now, and it hit its lowest point pretty much right around 4 a.m. It was at 89.45 or so, and now it's gone back up again. So we're starting to see some dollar strengthening. We're starting to see some of the VIX strengthening as well. So just one thing to keep in mind as we start this week off, that yes, metals prices look good right now. You might have some stocks that look really good right now, but the VIX could be a potential problem early on this week. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the metals, a quick update on SCCO. Let me know what you think. Thanks again for watching. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe if you're new. It's Black Bullion for goldandsilvertoday.com.